Trucks are already beasts on the road, but what if I told you some of them can now think smarter, work faster, and even transform into machines you never imagined? From mind-blowing safety tech that saves lives, to trailers that unfold into stages, and even robots that build houses, these are not your everyday rigs. Get ready, because today we're diving into genius truck inventions that are truly on another level. The future of trucking is here, and it's rolling in from France. Meet Gausson's skateboard platform, the world's first modular chassis built for heavy trucks. It comes in two versions: hydrogen, refueled in just 20 minutes for a range of 800 kilometers, and electric, with swappable batteries you can change in just 3 minutes for 400 kilometers of range. Capable of hauling 40 tons at speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour, it's lighter, smarter, and even ready for autonomous driving. Gausson calls it a shortcut from factory floor to freeway, and it might just redefine the future of sustainable trucking. When you're out camping, space and convenience mean everything. That's why the Clearview slide-out pantry is a true game-changer. With 74 liters of storage, it holds all your cooking gear and essentials. Its lightweight, powder-coated aluminum body is built tough, while dual-access locks keep everything secure. Slide it out, and you've got stainless steel prep surfaces, 3 pull-out worktops, and even a 9-liter collapsible sink, turning any campsite into a fully functional kitchen. Meet the Baja Trail LX by Rossmonster, a beastly adventure rig built on a Ford F-350. With 11.5 inches of ground clearance, 37-inch BFG KO2 tires, Method HD wheels, and a Carli pin-top shock system, this truck is made to conquer any trail. Its 50-gallon diesel tank gives you up to 600 miles of range, and the proprietary standing height camper box transforms it into the ultimate off-road home. Of course, all this comes at a price, starting around $380,000, with Rossmonster crafting nearly everything in-house at their Colorado HQ. Rugged, rare, and built for the wild, the Baja Trail LX isn't just a camper, it's a statement. Introducing the SherpTech all-aluminum truck bed system, engineered to be the lightest on the market without sacrificing strength or durability. That means you can haul more gear more easily, all the way to your favorite mountaintops. Each system is built to order, fitting any truck size with infinite attachment points, so you can lock down gear or swap out accessories in seconds. Crafted in the USA from aerospace and marine-grade materials, SherpTech combines rugged performance with premium attention to detail. Lightweight, modular, and built tough, this is the ultimate upgrade for serious truck owners. Palfinger just raised the bar in heavy lifting with its new PK1350 Tech and PK1650 Tech cranes, engineered for extreme loads and precision on the toughest job sites. With an outreach of 38.7 meters, the PK1350 delivers 109.3 meter-tons of lifting power, while the PK1650 pushes it even further to 124.8 meter-tons. Both cranes feature dual-circuit hydraulics for unstoppable performance, plus smart control systems that store crane positions, auto-level setups, and deliver pinpoint accuracy with every move. From crowded cities to massive construction sites, these tech cranes combine muscle, intelligence, and next-gen tech to redefine what's possible in heavy-duty lifting. Meet the X-Rack, a game-changing hydraulic system that transforms any pickup into a fast, flexible, multi-mission vehicle for emergency responders. Designed for police, firefighters, civil protection, and medical teams, the X-Rack solves the biggest pickup problem: slow and difficult loading. With its modular hydraulic drop-off system, it lets you swap out beds, containers, pallets, or platforms in seconds. No extra hands needed. Compatible with popular mid-size pickups like the Toyota Hilux, Isuzu D-Max, and Ford Ranger, the X-Rack turns a single truck into a whole fleet of solutions. Quick, versatile, and built for action, it's the pickup upgrade emergency forces have been waiting for. Safety on the road just took a big leap forward. MAN Truck & Bus is rolling out its new emergency braking assist with sensor fusion and the emergency stop signal. now becoming standard across most manned trucks, coaches, and buses. The system combines radar and camera data for faster, more precise braking and works alongside the new lane guard assistant to keep vehicles safer in every situation. Already ahead of future regulations, MAN's upgraded safety tech delivers braking power that surpasses the laws coming in 2018, proving their commitment to protecting drivers, passengers, and everyone on the road. XL Specialized Trailers. When it comes to heavy haul, not all trailers are built the same. XL Specialized Trailers are engineered for the toughest loads, combining innovation, strength, and unmatched durability. As a trusted XL Specialized dealer, PureQuip gives you direct access to these high-performance trailers, built for maximum safety, reliability, and confidence on the road. Backed by cutting-edge transport technology and personalized customer support, PureQuip helps you choose the perfect trailer for your operations. With XL Specialized and PureQuip, you're not just hauling cargo, you're hauling with confidence. Rack and roll. With motorcycle production hitting record highs, transporting bikes safely has never been more important. That's where Rack and Roll comes in, a rugged, no-fuss system built to haul motorcycles even over rough terrain. Capable of handling up to 275 kilograms, it keeps bikes rock solid using turnbuckles, chocks, and a front wheel lock, making it easy to load and secure without a second person. It fits any 2-inch hitch receiver, needs no drilling, and is built tough with powder-coated steel and stainless hardware to survive harsh conditions. Simple, strong, and reliable, Rack and Roll is for riders who just want their bikes to stay put, no matter the road. Freightliner Active Lane Assist 2. Active Brake Assist 6, the most advanced truck safety system yet. With 5 new radars, a camera, and smarter software, ABA6 reacts to more scenarios than ever before. It can apply full braking on moving or stationary vehicles and even on pedestrians or cyclists who step into the truck's path, giving drivers audio and visual warnings, then braking automatically if needed. And with Side Guard Assist 2, drivers get alerts for people or vehicles on both sides of the truck from the cab all the way to the trailer's end, a lifesaver in turns and lane changes. FBR Hadrian X. Construction is getting a futuristic upgrade with Hadrian X, the automated bricklaying robot from Australia's FBR. Mounted on a truck chassis, this massive robotic arm delivers bricks with pinpoint precision, laying walls faster and more efficiently than any human crew. In late 2023, the next-gen Hadrian X arrived in Florida, where it will undergo testing before building up to 10 single-story houses in a U.S. demonstration program with CRH Ventures. With speed, accuracy, and automation, Hadrian X is shaping the future of construction, one brick at a time. Pavelli Low-Bed Semi-Trailer. The Pavelli Low-Bed Semi-Trailer, Italy's heavy-haul powerhouse built for oversized equipment and industrial machinery. Its flagship STV Easy model carries up to 15,500 kilograms with a galvanized steel chassis, air-on-air suspension, and a lower deck profile for smooth, simple loading. With hydraulic ramps, remote controls, and customizable options like extendable frames, lifting axles, and winches, it adapts to any heavy-duty job. Add in EBS/ABS brakes and optional steering axles for maximum safety and maneuverability, and you've got a trailer that's as tough as it is versatile. For construction, industry, or specialized transport, Pavelli delivers strength you can trust. Flegel SZS 300BL. Farm machinery keeps getting bigger, but country roads and farmyards haven't changed, and that makes maneuverability a real challenge. Enter SteerX, a new electronic force steering system that eliminates the need for mechanical linkages. Unlike conventional self-steering or hydraulic systems, SteerX actively controls steering axles, giving trailers tight turning ability both forwards and backwards without needing to lock them manually. The result? Smoother handling, reduced tire wear, and safer operation even on side slopes or at higher speeds. By taking mechanical parts out of the equation, SteerX sets a new standard for agility in modern agricultural transport.